Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Choco chalks are powdered grip enhancers commonly used for climbing and gym movements. Use them to improve friction between skin and holds or equipment. Always prepare in a well-ventilated area to limit inhalation of fine dust. Wear a lightweight mask if you have respiratory sensitivity or long sessions planned. Keep chalk away from open flames and sealed food storage to avoid contamination risks. Store in original packaging to reduce moisture exposure and accidental spills during transport. Start by tapping a pea-sized amount into your palm for each application. Spread the chalk by rubbing fingertips and the whole palm in short, even strokes. Ensure coverage across calluses and base of the fingers for consistent grip. Avoid dumping large amounts. Excess chalk reduces sensitivity and creates dust clouds. For routes or sets, reapply small amounts between attempts to maintain steady friction and prevent slipping. Wipe excess chalk off with a dry brush before using shared holds or equipment. After use, seal Choco chalk in a resealable pouch or airtight jar to prevent moisture. Store the container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat. Clean hands with a dry brush first to remove loose chalk, then wash with mild soap and warm water. Clean holds or equipment with a soft brush to avoid buildup and preserve texture. Dispose of large chalk piles in regular waste rather than washing them into drains. Check manufacturer instructions for recycling or specific disposal guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.